Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Lexie. If you're not, well, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you a classic Valentine Day makeup look that I created. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. And without further ado, let's go on with the video. So for the entire look, I'm going to be using my Modern Renaissance palette. And first I'll be using Burnt Orange as my transition shade using the Anastasia brush that comes with all the palettes. Next, I'll be using the shadow Red Ochre and pushing that color on the outer third of the eye and blending it out with the same brush. Next, I'm going to be cutting the crease using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer while using a small concealer brush. Next, I'll be using the Shadow Tempera to set the concealer. To make the cut crease look more seamless and smooth, we are going to be going back to the Shadow Red Ochre and pushing that color on the outer third of the eye and pushing it towards the inner third of the eye as slowly as possible. Then we'll be going back to Burnt Orange and pushing those two colors together in order for us to have that gradient effect we're looking for. For this classic Valentine's Day look, we are going to be creating a very sharp wing using the NYX Cosmetics Epic Ink Liner. For lashes, I am going to be using my most favorite dramatic lashes, the style Mad Eye from the Makeup Shack. To prime the face, I'll be using my Marc Jacobs Coconut Primer. I love this primer so much just because it feels like a moisturizer as well. For my foundation, I'll be using my Hourglass Vanish stick. I love this foundation so much and I highly recommend it if you're looking for a full coverage yet very lightweight foundation. For my concealer, of course, I'll be using my Tarte Shape Tape and making sure that's blended with a beauty blender. To set the face, I'll be using my Airspun Translucent Powder. I really want to try the Patrick Star one, but it's all sold out here in America, so I'm going to try to get it in the Philippines. To bronze up the face, I'll be using my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil Bronzer. What's new? I really do want to try a different bronzer. I heard the Physicians Formula in the drugstore is really good. Let me know what you think. Then I'll be going back to Red Ochre for my bottom eyeshadow. What's Valentine's Day without blush? I'll be using my blush from MAC Cosmetics in the shade Mocha. To lock everything together, I'll be using my Slay All Day setting spray. And then for highlight, I'll be using my Glow Kit That Glow from ABH and using the shade Bubbly. Oh my god, look how small my lip pencil is. I'm using the MAC Cosmetics lip pencil in the shade Plum. Next, I'll be using my Fenty Beauty Stunna lip paint, and I actually really love this color so much because it works well with my skin tone. The only thing I don't like about it is the applicator, but other than that, I can work well with it. I do highly recommend cleaning it up with a lip pencil or an eyeliner brush. And finally, that is it for this classic Valentine's Day makeup look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. And of course, stay tuned for more videos. Thank you so much, guys.